The Minority Market. Episode 51. Why Boredom Can Be Your Advantage. Most people believe excitement is a sign of opportunity in the stock market. Fast-moving prices, breaking news, sudden rallies. These create emotional stimulation. But the truth is uncomfortable. Excitement usually signals danger. Boredom, on the other hand, often signals discipline, structure, and long-term advantage. The majority looks for entertainment in the market. They want action. They want adrenaline. They want constant movement. This mindset pushes them toward frequent trading, impulsive entries, and emotional decisions. The minority understands something different. Calmness and boredom are signs of professional behavior. When you are bored, it usually means you are not forcing trades. You are waiting patiently. You are following your rules. You are allowing setups to form naturally. This state of inactivity protects capital and mental energy. Most beginners confuse boredom with inefficiency. They think doing nothing means wasting time. In reality, doing nothing at the right time is one of the hardest and most profitable skills in the market. Let's talk about overtrading. Overtrading is often driven by boredom. When nothing interesting happens, people create action. They take low-quality trades just to feel engaged. This behavior slowly destroys consistency. The minority resists this urge. They understand that not every day is a trading day. Not every week offers opportunity. High-quality conditions are rare. Waiting preserves discipline. Another benefit of boredom is emotional stability. When you reduce activity, emotional intensity decreases. You stop reacting to every price movement. You stop chasing short-term fluctuations. This creates mental clarity. Professional traders and long-term investors spend more time waiting than acting. They observe markets quietly. They prepare. They analyze. When opportunity appears, they act decisively. The rest of the time, they remain inactive. This inactivity looks unproductive from the outside, but internally, it builds patience, discipline, and emotional control. Boredom also protects you from information overload. When you stop consuming constant news and social media opinions, your mind becomes quieter. You think more clearly. You rely on your own process instead of external noise. Another important aspect is capital preservation. Every unnecessary trade carries risk. Even small risks add up over time. When you avoid low-quality activity, you reduce exposure to random losses. This increases long-term survival. Let us talk about psychological comfort. Many people feel uncomfortable with silence and stillness. They feel the need to constantly act. This discomfort comes from emotional dependency on stimulation. The minority trains themselves to be comfortable with stillness. This comfort with boredom creates emotional strength. You stop seeking validation through activity. You stop proving productivity through trades. You become selective. Being selective is powerful. When you trade less, you think more. When you think more, you make better decisions. Another advantage of boredom is improved observation. When you are not constantly trading, you begin noticing patterns, market behavior, and subtle changes in sentiment. You develop deeper understanding. The majority reacts. The minority observes. Let us talk about long-term investing. True investing is often boring. Holding quality assets patiently is not exciting. Watching slow compounding is not thrilling. But this boring behavior creates extraordinary results over time. Exciting strategies attract attention. Boring discipline creates wealth. Another hidden benefit is emotional recovery. After stressful periods, boredom allows mental reset. It restores clarity. It prevents burnout. Emotional exhaustion leads to poor decisions. Calm inactivity prevents this. Many traders burn out because they seek constant action. They overload their mind. They drain emotional energy. The minority protects mental health by reducing unnecessary activity. There is also boredom in system execution. Following rules daily is repetitive. It lacks excitement. But repetition builds mastery. Consistency builds confidence. The market rewards those who repeat good behavior quietly, not those who chase excitement loudly. Another point is boredom and patience work together. When you accept boredom, patience becomes natural. You stop forcing outcomes. You allow processes to unfold. Let us talk about ego again. Ego wants attention. Ego wants excitement. Ego wants recognition. Boredom weakens ego. It removes emotional stimulation. It keeps behavior grounded. This is why professional traders often describe their work as boring. Because discipline is repetitive. Risk management is routine. Execution is structured. And success comes from repetition, not thrill. The minority embraces boredom as part of professionalism. They do not seek entertainment for markets. They seek consistency. If you feel bored while following your plan, it is a good sign. It means you are not reacting emotionally. It means you are not chasing noise. The ability to sit quietly while waiting for opportunity is a rare skill. That rarity creates advantage. Remember this: excitement drains capital. Boredom protects it. If you want to become part of the minority, learn to sit comfortably with inactivity. Learn to observe without acting. Learn to wait without frustration. Because in the long run, those who master calm repetition outperform those who chase emotional stimulation. Boredom is not weakness. It is discipline in disguise. And discipline is what builds lasting success.